Hello folks, I just wanted to make this video to show the modifications I made to my JJRC H31 for FPV flying. I did the usual mods that people do, cut the propeller guards off, and I mounted this camera, the FX798T. I took a razor blade and cut the shell out, mounted it in there at a slight up angle, and hit that with hot glue to keep it in place. Ran the wire down through and through this hole. On the bottom I have one of my tiny Whoop 220 milliamp batteries with velcro to hold it on, and I tested it just plugging the camera in to the battery to see how long the battery life would be, and I got 45 minutes out of a single battery. And then I took one of the prop guards that I cut off, just like this one here, and burnt two holes in here with my soldering iron, and just sort of bent that right down in to make a roll cage so I don't break my antenna, because I'm kind of new at this and I crash a lot. But it's kind of pretty sturdy. And I did this about 3 weeks or a month ago, and I haven't been able to fly it yet because it's been so windy and cold here in Pennsylvania. But I came home today and it's 60 degrees, but it's still pretty windy, and you'll see that in the flight video that I'm going to show right after this. But I got it up in the air and flew it around for a couple of minutes, and would have had more fun if it wasn't for the wind. But I also glued this little piece of plastic on here. It's just a piece of clear plastic from a soda bottle to reflect. This light stays red, solid when you're flying. Low voltage warning, it blinks red, and you can see this through the top of the camera. And the idea was to give you an indication when you were getting low on battery so you could bring it back. Works nice in the house, but out in direct sunlight it didn't seem to work very good at all. I kept wondering, am I out of battery? How much battery do I have left? And so back to the drawing board on that for daylight flying anyway. For now I'll probably just use a timer or something like that. But anyhow, that's it. And we'll do a short video of today's windy flight.